Getting a PayPal virtual credit card allows you to make secure online transactions without exposing your actual credit card details. Here's how to obtain one. Create a PayPal account. If you don't already have a PayPal account, visit the PayPal website or download the app. Sign up using your email address and complete the registration process. If you already have an account, log in. Link a funding source. To use a virtual card, you need to link a funding source, such as a bank account or a debit or credit card. Navigate to the wallet section and click on Link a bank or card. Follow the prompts to add your desired funding source. Access PayPal's virtual card service. PayPal may offer a virtual card service through its partnerships with certain financial institutions. Look for options like PayPal Key or similar services, depending on your region. Generate your virtual card. Once you find the virtual card option, you can generate a card number. This card can be used for online purchases, providing security and privacy. Use the virtual card. You can now use your PayPal virtual card for online shopping. Remember to keep track of the card's expiration date and balance for optimal usage.